I would like to explain how we help corporate advertisers to substantially increase their impact on the Millennium Development Goals and at the same time add some more value to their brand equity. So socially intelligent marketing is about using advertising budget on platforms that contributes to the attainment of the Millennium Development Goals. It's an innovative way to finance free public service and infrastructure. So by using socially intelligent marketing, our client basically have their marketing budget spinning off to not only gain more visibility, but also to get more loyalty and brand equity by impacting positively on the community in which they operate. So we have developed several products, one of which is a free magazine for women at the bottom of the pyramid, which are mainly illiterate. So the magazine significantly impact on gender equality, maternal health, and child mortality by bringing the emancipating benefit of female press to socially isolated women. At the same time, it provides advertisers with a way to target a very hard-to-reach audience, and yet growing audience. Now, we also propose a system of solar streetlight bearing advertising. So that's securing reliable street lighting at no cost to the municipality. And this system impacts on the environment, not only because it's solar, but especially because it contributes to a safer environment. Now, our flagship product is called the Tricademic. It's a tricycle that serves as a mobile billboard and vending unit, and it provides free school transport for children. We target secondary area, secondary town, and it impacts on education, but also on poverty. Independent research was conducted both on the social impact and also on the brand equity of our client, Zane, or one of our clients, for that product. So in terms of social impact, in one of our locations, the village of Cogeto, before the introduction of the Tricademic, 55% of children from 4 to 11 were not enrolled in school, and 100% of the school-going children were walking 16 kilometers a day to go to school and back. Also, 95% of the active population was involved in small-scale farming. That's hand-to-mouth type of economy, basically. Now, since we introduced the Tricademic, we reached 80% enrollment. 65% of those children benefit of the Tricademic, and amongst those 65%, we reached 98% attendance. So every children are actually going to school every day. We also created jobs, including one for a manager. So the income level for our employee households raised by 100%, and the social return on investment ratio is 6.41, which means that for each advertising dollar our advertiser spends on the Tricademic, it returns $6.4 in value for the community. Then finally, in terms of impact for the brand equity of Zane, we compare the result of the population exposed to the Tricademic to a sample control group from an area where the clients are not exposed to the Tricademic. And we also add a control group from another company which CSR is very limited. The Tricademic groups score substantially better in association on brand associations such as caring, good for the community, gives opportunity, and very low on associations such as selfish. So it also shows that there is a higher brand recognition, brand preference, and purchase intention. So my conclusion, well, I would like to encourage advertisers in this audience to engage with us, to make conscious choices when selecting the platforms on which they advertise, and to contribute to the Millennium Development Goals by using their marketing power to positively impact on the communities. Thank you.
Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.